Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing wonderful today. I'm the Portfolio Panda. Writing a budget isn't really a very exciting thing to do, but is an important step towards financial management and stability. I understand that I'm a weirdo that enjoys making a budget, but I'm the exception to the rule. For most people it's going to be a chore. The first step in creating a budget is to determine your income. This includes any income you receive from your job, investments, or other sources. Be sure to include all sources of income to get an accurate picture of your financial situation. Next, make a list of all your expenses. This includes fixed expenses like rent, mortgage, utilities, and insurance, as well as variable expenses like groceries, dining out, entertainment, and travel. Be sure to include any debt payments, such as credit card bills or student loans. Take your income and minus your expenses. Hopefully you are looking at a positive number. If it's negative, then you might have to make some cuts somewhere or look at raising your income. It's a lot easier to save $1 than to earn another dollar though. If you want to get fancy, you can categorize your expenses, but labeling them works fine too. Depending on your goals, you might want to look at setting limits and prioritizing your expenses. For example, you are more likely to spend your last dollar on a sandwich over a new shoelace. When it comes to limiting, you may want to transfer that set amount into a different account with a separate card purely for entertainment or food. Or simply withdraw the amount you would like to set as your food budget in cash and try not to spend it all. When you can see cash leaving your wallet instead of numbers on a screen, it has a different effect on you and can help you to spend less. Some budget plans recommend that you track all of your spending, but for people that don't really care or don't have time to be obsessing over their budget, this may not be necessary. The budget isn't a one-off thing. You can amend it whenever you like to reflect your current situation. Even if you want, you can treat it like a rough guide. It's still a step in the right direction. After you complete your budget, you might find you have money left over after all expenses are paid. Great work. This is where you can start saving. The amount of money you can save as a safety net, also known as an emergency fund, will depend on your individual circumstances, such as your income, expenses, and lifestyle. However, financial experts generally recommend that you save enough to cover 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. The purpose of an emergency fund is to provide a cushion in case of unexpected expenses, such as a medical emergency, car repair, or losing your job. By having this safety net in place, you can avoid going into debt, like high interest credit cards or loans. Wait, you're telling me you've already got a safety net and there's still money left over? Great job. Here's where the world becomes your oyster. Who am I to tell you what to do from here? You do what you like, you're an adult. But if you're thinking that investing might be a good idea, check out some more of my videos to learn more. As usual, let me know any questions in the comments below and make sure to share this with your least financially savvy friend, then tell me if I did okay at explaining the topic. Your most valuable asset is your time. Thank you for sharing yours with me. Until next time.